3 terms I never use as a dietitian: willpower, moderation, and guilt-free. Willpower. So you may think willpower is a good thing, but willpower is all negative energy. And willpower is like a muscle. It gets worn down, which is why people often give in at the end of the day. Also, willpower, again, that negative energy just increases your stress level. So you're actually increasing your cortisol, your stress hormone. Okay, moderation. You may think moderation is a good thing, but moderation is way too abstract of a term to be effective at all. Ask someone what moderation means to them, and you're going to get a different answer from every person you ask. Okay, guilt-free. Guilt-free, you shouldn't feel guilty in the first place. You want to learn how to eat empowered and make conscious indulgences. Check out nutritiouslife.com, search the term willpower for an oldie article, but a goodie on this topic.